Hey, this is Dr. Miller. I have a really sort of sad story in some respects. A dear close friend, Aquaman, was playing soccer and was violently hit, totally inappropriately, and split his head open. And you can take a look over here. This is how bad it looked at the time he came to me. And this really wasn't even closed that well. So I brought him back to the operating room, took everything, opened up everything, and repaired it. And so here he is now around
Don't
6.
forget the nose. It was broken.
Oh, and the nose was broken too. Yeah, I can't believe that happened to you.
I know.
It just absolutely amazes me. I mean, so tell me,
You amazing me how you did it because you fixed it.
Well,
it was like
this whole thing was just I'm not showing you because the picture that he actually looked like with everything opened up is a little too gruesome.
yeah,
Right?
it's every time that I'm gonna show it, I warm it. Then are you good with blood because it's bad.
Yeah, we don't want to show that.
Kind of receive a skull.
But this whole area was open all the way down to here. You sort of got that impression. And he has a very, very fine line here. That's going to fill in with hair nicely. But everything else healed. I mean, he healed beautifully.
I think you did a great job. Otherwise, I mean, I can't imagine if thank God that I knew you and I got a chance to come and you fixed me like right away because you didn't even wait for it. I mean, it was amazing.
It bothered me. I remember you came in and you were like, well, should we wait? I said, no, we can't wait. I think it was the next day, right?
It was the next day, the very next day, yeah. You clean my schedule, I'm gonna have to fix it.
You know what it's like? It's like, have you ever walked into a room and you see that frame that's just a little off?
Yeah,
right.
And you gotta put it right.
And you gotta put it, that's what I felt like. I was like looking at it going, no, I can't. I gotta put it back.
It meant a lot to me because you were like, just wanted to fix me and wanted to like help me out. And I'm not even saying anything about the price because you also did that to me. So it's like, so grateful, man.
You're the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
No, I appreciate it. Yeah.
So see him in movie theaters around. He's also with Rocky in Game of Thrones. Or did you stop?
Premiere.
Did you stop?
They killed me the first season. Spoiler alert.
All right. Have a great day.